Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Mod. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to your time and your location. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you are a beginner on my YouTube channel then please subscribe, and if you are already subscribed then don't forget to press the bell icon for more designs and for more collections. In this way you will never miss any video and collection of my channel. How are you guys? I hope all of you doing well and enjoying good condition of your health. Today we are diving into one of the most bold, beautiful and empowering hairstyle trends of all time, the French bob haircut. Whether you are thinking of going short for the first time or looking for a fresh new twist on your bob, this video is your ultimate guide to stunning French bob haircut designs. Let's start with the basics. A French bob cut is a short hairstyle generally cropped close to the head with slightly longer layers on the top. But don't let its simplicity fool you. The French bob haircut is endlessly versatile. My dear friends, the classic French bob cut, clean, elegant and easy to maintain. This timeless style works for all the ages and face shapes. Perfect if you are going for that effortlessly chic look. My dear friends, next the textured French bob haircut. This one's all about layers and movement. A bit of volume, a dash of edge, ideal for adding body to thin hair or giving thick hair a modern shape. Feeling bold, try an undercut French bob haircut. This dramatic version features shaved or faded sides and a longer top. It's edgy and totally customizable from sharp lines to creative patterns. And who says short can't be fun? Add a pop of color, whether it's platinum blonde, fiery red. A colored bob is a statement maker. Bob cuts have been rocked by icons like Halle Berry, Emma Watson, and Zendaya. It's a cut that speaks confidence and style. Thinking of try a bob? Here is a quick tip. Talk to your stylist about your face shape, hair texture, and daily styling routine. The right bob is the one that works for you. Don't forget styling. Use a bit of pomade for definition, sea salt, spray for texture, or go sleek with a flat iron for a polished finish. If you loved this look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching my videos. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon.